fucking crazy. I can't see shit. Oh my God. Oh, welcome to fucking Spokane. Oh, it's in my window. Oh my God, I can't see a fucking thing, dude. This is ridiculous. The camera's not doing it justice. I'm actually driving through my phone right now because I can see better through the camera than oh, okay, it's lightening up. Man, that came out of nowhere. So, a little update. Car is still apart, cylinder head is back and repaired. I just have to install cam gear and all that stuff, but I'm waiting on doing that. I got my full gasket kit for everything. It's sitting in my home. I still need to install the AEM 340, but I did get the Dowsherworks 780cc injectors installed, so no longer are they going to be 550s. These flow about 880cc at 60 psi, so it should be plenty of injector for what I need. Since I'm not going to be running ethanol, I'll be running race gas. I don't need nearly as much injector. Kind of can't really see it too good, but there's my valve cover so I can run my catch can finally. I got that all welded up, and I just need to get fittings and lines. And then this catch can that I also built myself when I was going to school for welding, that'll be my catch can for us. So I'll finally have some crankcase ventilation. Bottom end appears to be fine. Head's repaired. I did order 2 sets of main studs for a 4.5 liter SVO V6 because they are dimensionally the same as my head studs, and they wanted to fulfill those orders first at ARP, so I had to order 2 sets of those because they come in sets of 8 and I needed 10, but I'll get them a lot faster than waiting on them to fill the sets of F2T head studs. So just waiting on shipping confirmation. I ordered them from Jags. Jags said that ARP told them they were in stock, so just waiting on that, and this big girl will be back on the road with some head studs and some big boost. Oh, and if you didn't notice in the background, I also picked up a set of Evo 9 Enkeis, and those will allow me to fit a wider tire, and those will be probably replacing my FN01 RCs because I can only fit a 225 on these, and I want to put a 245 on it with some R888s to try and get some traction on the street. So that'll be coming up. These wheels will be on the Probe. Damn, dude.
Confiscating the evidence there. Oh shit, it's on my foot.
My tires are gone, dude. I did not realize. Man, this is some bullshit. Ooh, I think I'm liking how that looks. My favorite thing is when I tell somebody I want to race their mediocre car and they ask me what I'm driving and I say a Buick Regal and they laugh. All right, here we go. Time to go grab the Celica. And here we have it. Got old girl loaded up, ready to bring her back home and start swapping the new short block into it. Rebuild this one. Fucking stoked. Man, it's cool to see this thing loaded up again after all these years coming home. Man, she's gonna be a wicked little fucking rocket ship. When you live in a bus, but you got a nice lineup, starting with a 400 wheel horsepower turbo Ford Probe GT, 3S GTE swapped Toyota Celica GT, 1991 Mazda 626 GT Turbo, turbocharged 1999 Buick Regal GS.